Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel Naija News and Entertainment. This is the recap show of Ultimate Love Day 25 in the Love Park. So the day began with the housemates still sleeping. I wonder which continent they are. Which continent is the love part situated? Is the question that comes to mind whenever you tune in and see the love girls still sleeping at 10 a.m. They are definitely not in Nigeria because we obviously in different zones. When people are about to go for lunch break, then they will be coming out of bed one by one. Anyway, you guys are on vacation, enjoy it while it lasts. When you come back to this continent, our continent, from a romantic world, then we'll be equal. I can't imagine these people still sleeping when I have woken up so early and at work already. They should stop doing this now. Still on the ultimate part, ultimate love. Idol love guests in conference. This is one of the ideal setting in the love part for a while now. After sleeping for most of the morning, they have chosen to gather here for idle morning talks. This time yesterday when the guys were on duty to cook breakfast was ready. But today that is the ladies' turn to cook. Food is not in sight. I can't blame you guys for converging in the boys' room. It's a good strategy to wait for food. Still on the Ultimate Love Show, Ultimate Guests debate MI Mood 9 music. Ultimate Guests in their debate were trying to know which between MI and Mood 9 is a better rapper. Seriously, if you ask me now, who will I ask? Chidi Banks and Chris Vale were really serious about analyzing these guys. Someone then asked, is Mood 9 a rapper? I was like, what did he say? Whatever you say about these guys, they are good singers, but where is MI on this planet? Still on the Ultimate Love Recap Show, Auntie rebrands Ultimate Ladies. Auntie has rebranded the Ultimate Ladies with their new hair. Last week Saturday was the day for the guys, and the ladies have been getting their hair done since yesterday. After Auntie has allowed the guys to see the good, the bad and the ugly of the ladies and vice versa, she has decided to rebrand them. Nice try there, but almost everyone in the house is looking good now. Still on the Ultimate Love Recap Show Day 25, Family Life Therapist visit the Love Park. The Family Life Therapist currently in the Love Park to take the love girls on getting it right about their family life. Mr. Fourway is in the house to open their eyes to the reality about marriage. Let them hear him now. Marriage is not about the sweet under the roof life in the love part. This is going to be interesting, more to come. And still on the happening in the love part of day 25, Jay and Iyke oppose declaring income in marriage. Jay and Iyke are against declaring income in marriage. During the session with the family life therapist, the discussion came up and they did not agree. According to Jay, it is not necessary to do that, while Iyke thinks it is not important, adding that it might not be realistic for an entrepreneur to do that. On his part, the therapist told them it is very important to make your income open to your spouse. There is no my money in marriage. It is our money. If you don't know how much your spouse earns, how then do you draw your budget? Guys, your wife must know what you earn. There's nothing you are hiding in it. Jay and I care now. It is our money. And still on the Ultimate Love Part Day 25, this question arose. Who should be the breadwinner? Who should be the breadwinner of the family is a huge question that came up on the Ultimate Love Part today. As Africans, please let us talk about it. Who should fund the family? We always say the man is the head. So at this point, can we say the man should be? Will you say things have changed? What do you think? Mr. Praise Fawoye said it's a joint thing, and I actually think it's a joint thing. So guys, This is a summary, a recap of what happened in the Ultimate Pad Day 25. Stay tuned for more updates on the show. And if you're a new viewer, please subscribe to my channel and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drop. Thank you.